wala siya pacifier. Oh. Hi, ma'am. Sindabas.
Hold my hand. Then I hold your hand. Then hold my hand again. Uh-oh. There are sheeps. No sheeps yet. Maybe later we can find some. The farm? Uh-huh.
Come here. Are you happy?
Big aquarium. Oh, look, this is a submarine.
Are you happy?
Look. Are they cute? Do you like them?
What can you say about the fish?
What can you say? Are they small or huge?
Are they amazing? You happy?
Something dropping.
Something dropping you?
Something dropping. What did you say? Do you love them? I don't need to be scared. I'm not scared. I'm just happy. Yes. And I see them. Snakes. Oh no, not allowed. The fish is inside. So funny. Oh, what are you doing? Can I take a picture of it? Oh, sure. Okay. Dad, can I borrow your cell phone?
Smile.
It's Dory. I see Dory. No, it's not Dory. Wow. They have a lot of colors. Tonight. Tonight. Like my toy. Yeah, like your toy.
Ayati, look
They're
here.
smiling already. Oh, I see it! No, that's Nemo. That is Dory. I don't know. Maybe we can find Dory over there.
It's eating
Sleeping
on algae.
Wow. Again, already? Blue. What else? It's the pink. There's the... What are these? They are jellyfish. Jellyfish, correct. Yeah. a dragonfish. Dragonfish.
Say hi to the dragonfish.
What's the name? They don't have specific name, but you can call them dragonfish. Dragonfish. Yeah.
3.
Come closer.
Oh, look at the big fish. Dali. Just like the fish from Nemo, oh.
These are huge.
And from Ranger Katie.
Giant turtle. Hindi pala silang lumaki ng... Good job. Wow. Are you happy? I want to see, Mommy. I want to see. I'm here. I'm here and I'm here. You're amazing.
Are they amazing?
Is that her baby? These colorful ones. Maybe this is the mommy and the daddy.
Wow.
Do they make you happy too? Pretend you're under the ocean. What are you eating?
Fish food.
Again.
How does it make you feel?
Makes me feel happy.
Oh, do you love fish now?
Come on, go to my hand.
Oh, me too. I'm gonna put my hand here.
Come on, go to my hand.
There too. Uh-oh. They want a...
Come on, go to my hand.
Ayate isa, oh. Ayate, look, look.
Wah, takot ako dyan.
You want to touch it?
Baby, you're so cutie. Dad, can I go there?
Where?
Dad, can I go there?
Oh, look at the cafe. Jeff, oh, tignan mo yung mga fish. Wala man to last time, no?
Are really giving them food. But us, we're not allowed.
I love them so much.
Really? It's coming at you.
Mommy, Mommy, I want to eat.
Oh, look, they're swimming. It's so cool. It's so cool.
Tiga mo siya, Dri. Tiga.
Come here, come here.
The smallest favorite, cockroach.
Iguana.
Iguana.
Dubia, dubia.
Yes.
Look at
Turtle.
Huh?
Snapping turtle.
mura lang din. Saan magalaga mo ganyan?
Yeah?
What's doing in sleeping?
Because it's still sleepy, he wants to grow more. See? It's inside. Yeah, inside.
Not yet. Then where's some food? Then where's some food? I'm tall.
It's okay. You just look from here, huh? Look, oh, maybe it's tarantula. What's the color of the tarantula?
Black.
It's black.
Yeah, see?
It's a baby tortoise.
It's an African spurred tortoise. This one is big. Come on.
What is it doing? Yeah, it's a green snake. Are you scared of it?
I'm afraid.
What?
I'm afraid.
You're afraid of it? Corn snake. What's the color?
Color white.
You call it corn snake. These are ball python. Why?
Are you scared? Malaki na yung improve niya, oh. Ganyan niya na siya ngayon.
Butterfly koi fish, oh.
Wow!
This is so nice.
Ganda, oh.
Please.
Nung kasama sila Jeff, di pa ganyan, oh. Para na siya sa Jurassic Park. Ayos, oh.
Get out of the water. They need water.
Para silang dragons. Ang laki.
Yeah, it's a huge.
It's so huge. So
cool
big.
turtle.
Already over there, oh, on the rock.
Rocky. Can you see it?
She's moving. It's okay, it's in the glass.
Look at the camera.
Already, look, it's so big. Takot na.
I'm
It's
shaking,
okay.
Mommy. And
Look, I'm gonna touch it. That is
it's
gonna
6 feet tall daw pala rin.
6 feet tall ito? Parang more than 6 feet to eh. More than 6 feet yan, di yan 6 feet lang.
Bumalik ka naman dito.
Oh. Ay, already there's their belly, oh. You wanna rub her belly? Laki ng paa niya. Like a monster.
Hey, wanna come inside, Daddy?
Di na. Welcome to Biodome.
Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy. That's cute.
Alright. Those are geese and those are pelicans. Look. Ang ganda, para ka nasa Jurassic Park. Ganda. Pili ko na. Oh, pili ko na sa Jurassic Park tayo. Come here. So nice. Ganda. Laki na ng in-improve niya. Uy, may otter oh. Ayun oh. See?
Parang may
There's a
zipline
sea
pa.
otter. Ganda. Amazing. This is the bite of fan-tail pigeons.
Whoa, look, oh, it's flying over there.
Lying down.
Yep, you wanna see? Look, you can catch it.
Amazing. It's so amazing. I'm so happy.
Easy flying adventure.
Ooh, I'm so engaged. Again, kiss mommy.
Guys, let's go kiss
That is-
mommy together.
Okay.
Mwah.
Yeah.
Fly. That's why they have this big dome, so the birds can fly freely, but they don't need to go out.
Mommy, one like me. Dad, one like me.
Whoa.
Run so fast.
Running.
Wow, this is so cool.
Flamingo siguro.
Go up, mommy, go up. Go up, mommy, go up.
What?
Maybe they're scratching.
Baby, just
Look at their beaks already. Their beaks are flat, round and flat.
round and flat. Like that.
But the pink ones have different beaks. The pink ones have pointed beaks. Yeah, unlike the white ones.
Okay. Wala. Up, up. Careful.
Ayan, nag-fly na tuloy. Pag feeding lang, magkano? Pag feeding lang kaya magkano?
Mag 200 lang siya, ma'am. Using your phone lang, ma'am.
Ano pa?
200 lang.
200. Birds, come here. No, you let the birds come. Raise your neck like this. Hi, bird.
Sorry, bata pala sa likod.
Nandun pala sila.
It's okay, it's okay. Or you give your food na doon sa bird. Wala na yan laman.
Show your food. Show it to transport. Open your hand. Open your hand, Yeti. One more. The bird is sleeping. Move, open your hand, Yeti. Open your hand.
Ayati,
Look, are you having
you
fun?
happy?
The bird is eating it on your hand. Show me your other hand. Oh, let the bird do this.
Okay, you feed the bird. Sige. You happy? You give her more.
They're finding some food. Maybe seeds? Maybe seeds. It's a bird.
You happy? You say hi to the bird.
Kung anong bird to, kuya? Lawin. Lawin. Wow! Ooh!
You happy?
What is doing in backward?
Oh,
They're
look,
dancing in
look.
the water.
They dance like that.
Yes, look oh. You say hi to them. You say hi
Show
to
Daddy
them.
how you turn. Yeah,
Wow,
like
like that. Oh, you do dance like them. You turn like them. Wow.
that. Seal. We call them seal.
You're so good at swimming, right? Are you happy? Does they make you happy? May practice mo sila. Do you love them?
Enjoy free. Enjoy swimming.
I love you.
Enjoy swimming. Oh, oh, wow, look, oh.
Galing.
Nasa doon. Oh, wow, diving.
You're a friend na.
Region of Australia. They have
That's
a
it.
flat body, triangular head, and the cake is good. I think you got one. Mommy enjoys this one.
It's my Pia.
Question, are you ready for this game? Yes, and say, you can do it, Denzel. So, Denzel, finally, then out the
What's the bird anak?
What's the bird? Oh, bird is there. It's going to guess where the ball is. No!
Okay, Denzel, start again. And here's water. And water gets the first. Anyone, guys?
I think you're big. See?
Okay, guys, go to the one.
Come on, where are you are?
Who are you calling?
I'm going to lion.
Why?
I'm going to see lion.
Why?
Because I'm waiting for him.
Why are you worried for the sea lion? What happened?
Because I want to hug it.
Ah, you want to hug it. In a while, it will come out na. Clap your hands. Wow.
Hello, everyone.
You say hi to them. Hi. Wow. Where's the other one? Wow.
Come on, walk around.
That's so cool. Clap, 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 clap. Ayati, clap.
By the way, my
Say hi
name
to
is
them.
JB, and I
Hi,
would like
sea
to meet my
lion.
sea lion friend. Together with the trainer, she is the Cutest.
Oh.
Okay, guys, Her name is Ira. Together with Pepper Johnny, say hello. Now let's proceed. So guys, we're on flippers. And we also talk about flippers, something kids cannot do. As a result, they can walk upright while on land. And that's a fine demonstration. How about a round of applause for Tina Brand? And you know what, guys? They have the own design. So let's ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? Hey guys, I can hear you. Are you ready? Alright, let me come. Come on. Almost there. It's better. And
Amazing.
Now let's move on. Now this time, guys, would you love to see a dance number from our Sea Lion friends?
Yes.
Hey guys, where's the energy? Would you love to
You say
see
yes
them
already.
dance?
Yes.
Now, wiggle, wiggle. What's